Hey everybody, it's Greg here, and in this video I'll show you how to find the hottest markets on Clickbank and the top 3 highest converting products in that market to promote using the top 10 best free traffic methods. Now some of these traffic methods you may never have heard of before, so make sure you stick around for the entire video. And in case you're totally new, I'll show you how to sign up to Clickbank and the fastest way to find the best products to promote, and we'll break down the best free traffic methods counting down from 10 to 1. So make sure you stick around for traffic source number 1 because it's definitely the easiest way to get free traffic right now. I've been able to build a following of over 10,000 people in less than 30 days, and I've had over 100,000 views. So make sure you watch this entire video until the end so you don't miss any of the free traffic sources that we'll be covering. All right, let's dive in and get started. If you don't already have a Clickbank account, head over and sign up. Just look for the sign up link and create your account. Now, once you're logged in, head over to the affiliate marketplace and look for the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass. Just click on that and that will list the top selling products on Clickbank as of that date. Now here's what you need to look for. You'll want to choose a product with an average payout of at least $100 with preferably a back-end recurring payment of $20 or more. Now what that means is that you'll receive commissions each month as long as they remain subscribed to the offer. Now it could be supplements or it could be a monthly membership site. Now the beauty of that is you only have to make one sale, but you continue to get paid month after month. So make sure the product you choose to promote as an affiliate also has recurring payments as well. As you can see from this search, the hottest market on Clickbank is health and fitness, and specifically supplement offers within the health and fitness market, especially in January and February of a new year. So grab your affiliate link for the top 3 products and head over to bit.ly to shorten your links. More about that in a second. Now, why the top 3 products? I'll cover why in just a moment, so stick around for that. Now next, save your links that you've shortened somewhere where you can find them because you'll need them in the next steps that we're about to cover in this video. So make sure you stick around for that. There are free strategies for getting traffic in this video. We'll cover the top 10 best free traffic strategies that you can use to get traffic to your affiliate links. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll give you a bonus traffic strategy I call the traffic tsunami method, which is the best way to build an online business for the least amount of time invested. Now, before we dive into the free traffic sources, let's first cover a key concept to understand when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, you as an affiliate marketer are looking for quality products to promote that help people to achieve a goal or solve a particular problem, often referred to as a pain point. In the health and fitness niche, you're trying to help people lose weight or get in better shape. In the wealth niche, you're trying to help people make more money or invest more wisely. Now, does that make sense? If it does, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel while you're at it. Now that you understand that you're in the problem-solving business, you have to think about where people might be on the web already looking for a solution to a problem that they may have. Now, we're about to cover the top 10 free sites where you can get free traffic, but before you start creating content, you need to know what type of people that you want to attract that would be interested in your affiliate offer that you're promoting. Now, do they want to lose weight to feel better about themselves or to look more attractive? You have to think about the person's age and gender that you're targeting. Are they men or are they women? You have to think about their likes and dislikes, their fears and what motivates them. You have to think about what other methods they may have tried in the past to lose weight and why this method that you're proposing is a better solution. Then you need to create free, valuable content using one or more of these free traffic sources that we're about to cover to attract your ideal prospect who would be interested in the affiliate offer that you're promoting. Now, you can direct the link to affiliate offer using some of these free traffic methods, but the best strategy for creating a sustainable and profitable online business I'll cover later in this video. So make sure you watch this entire video. You don't want to miss that. Now let's cover the top 10 free traffic sources and I'll break them down into different categories. Now let me briefly touch on the 3 ways people like to receive and consume information. Some people are auditory learners and prefer to receive information in the form of a podcast or a talk radio format. Some people prefer to learn by reading, and the third group are visual learners and they prefer to watch video content like this video that you're watching right now. So the best overall strategy is to create free, valuable content in all 3 categories as a long-term strategy. Now that may sound overwhelming right now, but I suggest you tackle the category that comes easiest to you first, and then over time, add the different mediums as you progress. For example, if you prefer writing, then start by writing. Or if you prefer talking, then perhaps a podcast would be the best place for you to start. Now let's go over the top 10 and stick around for which of the top 10 free traffic strategies is the easiest to get traffic from right now, because you'll definitely want to make use of that one. Let's start with number 10, medium.com. There's over 175.2 million monthly visits, and you basically just write articles on Medium and link back to your free WordPress blog. More about that in a second. Now, number 9, TikTok, 252 million monthly visits, and you can link to your site after you have 1,000 followers. Number 8, Pinterest, 369 million monthly visits, and you can post images using Canva. I'll show you more about that at the end of this video. Stick around for that, and you can link back to your blog. Number 7, Quora, 550 million monthly visits, and you just answer questions, and you can use Quora Spaces. Number 6, Reddit, over 1.1 billion monthly users. It's a little more tricky to use Reddit. More about that in a second. Number 5, Instagram. You can post photos and Instagram Reels, over 6 billion monthly users. Number 4, Twitter, 6.5 billion monthly users, and you can tweet content that you've created. Also, you can post tweets. Number 3, Facebook, over 20 billion monthly users. Now, you can have a profile with up to 5,000 friends on Facebook, so you can optimize your profile, and then also you could have a Facebook group, and you can build a community. So think 20 billion monthly users. Number 2, YouTube, over 34 billion monthly users, and you don't even have to show your face. We'll get more about that at the end of this video. And number 1, Google, 37.2 billion monthly users. Now you can use a free WordPress blog. We'll cover more about that in just a second. You can also have your own domain, and we'll talk more about that in just a moment. Now, bonus traffic source number 11 that I want to mention. Briefly talked about this. It's a podcast. Now, I know people who earn 6 and 7 figures, and their primary traffic source is just a podcast. So don't underestimate how valuable a podcast can be. Now, a great free place to host your podcast is at buzzsprout.com. And as your audience grows, you can upgrade to unlock more features, but it's free to start. I'll put a link below in the description box for that. Now, the best strategy to build a sustainable and profitable online business working from home or anywhere in the world is to use a landing page with a lead magnet to capture your prospect's email address. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's basically something your ideal prospect would love to get their hands on for free. So in the weight loss niche, for example, it might be something like how I lost 10 pounds in 7 days without dieting. Get my free ebook that shows you how. So it's going to be favorable, time-based outcome without the pain they're used to associating with that. So in the make money online space, it could be something like this. It could be a checklist or an ebook, and it would be something like how to get 100K views in 30 days without paying for traffic. I think you get the idea. It's a favorable outcome in a time-based format without the pain. So once you create your lead magnet, which could be a PDF, a checklist, a cheat sheet, or a small ebook, or even a video, you set up a landing page where you just ask for their email address. Now, if you attract the right prospect and your lead magnet speaks to them, then you can expect a 50% or higher opt-in rate, which means if you have 100 visitors to your landing page, 50 or more of those people will join your email list for your free lead magnet. And once they do, you can follow up with them via automated email messages and live email messages as well. Now, the great part about capturing someone's email is that you now have the ability to market various offers to them over time and to develop a relationship with them, which is much more effective than just sending someone to an affiliate offer, because once you send that traffic, they're gone, and then you can never market to them again. So that's why you want to use your email autoresponder. Now, the automated emails that you'll send out will allow you to create a passive income over time as your traffic and following begins to grow. So that's why I highly suggest you set up a landing page and get an email autoresponder as a better way of creating sustainable online business income. Now, I use ClickFunnels for my landing pages, and I use ActiveCampaign for my email autoresponder because they have great deliverability and they make it easy to set up email automations. Now, on my WordPress blog, I use Opt-in Monster to capture prospects' emails right on my blog instead of sending them to the lead capture page. But it's much less effective than sending prospects to a dedicated landing page using ClickFunnels. Now, all of the tools I've mentioned in this video, you can find down below this video in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you'd like to learn more, then make sure you check out my free 6-figure checklist called The Secret to Quitting Your Day Job. That's just below this video in the description box as well. Look for The Secret to Quitting Your Day Job. Also, one last thing, make sure you check out my affiliate marketing playlist at the end of this video for more helpful tips that I didn't have time to cover in this video. So watch out for that at the end of this video. So I want to say thanks for sticking around this long in this video. Now let's briefly talk about some of these traffic strategies that I mentioned, and I'll go into more depth in future videos. So that's another good reason why you might want to subscribe to my channel right now. So go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell notification. So there's a couple different sites that are a little more tricky, so I'm going to go into depth with those. Now one of them is Reddit, which gets a lot of traffic, but you have to go about it the right way. So I'll cover that in a future video. Now I want to talk about my best traffic source right now, and that is TikTok. In, I'd say, about 3 weeks, 21 days, I had about 10,000 followers, over 100,000 views just from short little videos. Now the thing is, you don't have to appear on camera for these videos. You can use B-roll. So what B-roll is, just little clips that pop up over the video like I've been doing in this video. So you could just narrate a little script. It could be as short as 8 seconds and be up to 60 seconds if you'd like. So just experiment with that traffic source. It's not just for teenagers. You can market all kinds of different offers on TikTok. And after you get 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can put a link to a landing page or to your blog, whether that be a free site or whether that be on your own domain. Now let's talk about the difference. Now Google has obviously the most traffic. So you want to think about a long-term strategy for generating traffic, and that would be having a WordPress blog. You can have a free WordPress blog at wordpress.com, and if you want a totally free traffic method, then you can do that. But a better method is to just get your own domain name. It's as little as $10 at Namecheap. I'll put a link down below to Namecheap. That's what I use. You can register your own domain name, and then all you need is an affordable hosting plan to get started. I really think it's a good idea to use something like ClickFunnels to create a dedicated landing page to send your traffic to that as well, just because the opt-in rate using a lead capture page with ClickFunnels is way higher than what you would get from your WordPress blog. So like I mentioned earlier, all these links about things I've been talking about, I'll put them in the description box down below so you can learn more about Opt-in Monster and some of the different tools that I use in my online business. Now if you have any comments or questions about this video, just ask them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. I read them every day and I'll definitely reply to you. I just want to say thanks for watching this video, sticking around this far. If you found any of this content helpful, give me a thumbs up and actually put down below which traffic sources you'd like to learn about the most, and I'll make that in my next video. If you're more interested in learning more about TikTok first, just write I want to hear more about TikTok. I'll make that my next video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so that when that video goes out in a few days, you'll get notified about that. All right, so comment down below if you have any comments or questions. Tell me what traffic sources you'd like to learn more about, whether it be TikTok or Reddit or Pinterest or any of those other traffic sources that I mentioned in this video. And as I said before, give me a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.